Hello students, welcome back to Prakash CBSE. Today we will see exercise 5.3, Roman number 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 options. Remaining we will discuss in the next video. See, in the fourth option it's given that A3. We know A3 general formula A plus 2D equal to 15. So this we can take as equation number 1. And yes, 10 is given, means sum of 10 terms is given. So let's take S10 equal to 125. We know Sn formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n, when you compare this, n value 10 means sum of 10 terms. So n value is given here 10. So apply to this formula and make here one more equation. So when you apply Sn formula here, you will get 10 by 2 into 2a plus n 10 minus 1 into d equal to 125. Okay, just cancel. So 5 into 2a plus 9d equal to 125. Take this multiplication opposite, so it comes to division. So 125 by 5. Cancel here, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are. So 2a plus 9d equal to 25. It's the equation number 2. So we got now equation. So equation 1 and 2 we got it. Let's solve these two equations by using any one method, either elimination or substitution method, so that we can get the value of d. Then we can find out A10. Okay, let's apply now. We can use here substitution method only. So by substitution method, if you want to use elimination method also you can use. So from the equation 1 I'm going to find out a value here. If you want a value, take plus 2d opposite. Okay, so you got a value here. This you can substitute in the equation number 2. So substitute a value 15 minus 2d in equation number 2. So equation number 2, you have 2 into a value 15 minus 2d plus 9d equal to 25. So multiply this 2 inside. 30 minus 4d plus 9d equal to 25. So 30, here you will get, if you subtract, plus 5d equal to 25. Plus 30 opposite, minus 30. So 25 minus 30. So you will get minus 5. So d equal to minus 5. This comes here. Just cancel. D equal to, you got minus 1. So common difference d, we got it. Now what we have to find out? A10. So A10 general formula we know a plus 9d. So we have to find out a value also. So substitute this d value in any one equation and find out the value of a. So substitute d equal to minus 1 in the equation 1. So equation 1 we have here a plus 2 into d equal to 15. So a 15 and a equal to minus 2 when you take opposite, plus 2. So a equal to, you got 17. Okay, now let's find out A10. So A10 general formula we know a plus 9d. Value of a 17 plus 9 into d value minus 1. So 17 minus 9. If you subtract this, you will get 8 as the A10, means 10 term. Hope that you understand this. Let's move to the fifth option. So here we have the question number, fifth option. D value is given, S9 is given. S9 means sum of 9 terms is given. We have to find out a value on 9th term. Okay, so let's take the given data here. common difference d is given and s9 is given. We know the formula for Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the sum of nth term formula. Let's take the given data there. Given s9 equal to 75. So when you compare your n value, you will get 9. Okay, because sum of 9 terms answer only it's given. Okay, then apply Sn formula here. Then n value 9. So 9 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d value 5 equal to, we have the 75. So just take this division opposite, it comes to multiplication. So 9 into 2a plus 8 into 5 equal to 75 into 2. Now 9 2a 8 5s are 40. Here if you multiply, you will get 150. Now take this multiplication opposite. So 2a plus 40 equal to 150 by 9. Cancel in third table. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. So again you cannot cancel because you will get decimal. So let it be. Now 2a plus 40 equal to 50 by 3. Take plus 40 opposite, will get minus 40. So 50 by 3 minus 40. Take division 1 and cross multiply. So you will get 2a equal to 50 minus 120 by 3. If you subtract this, you will get minus 70 by 3. So 2a equal to minus 70 by 3 you got. Then a is, let's write here, minus 70 by 3. If you want a value, take this multiplication opposite. Then a equal to minus 70 by 3 into 2. Cancel here 35 times. So a is equal to minus 35 by 3. So we got the first term a value. Now we have to find out a9. So let's write a9 general formula. We have a9 general formula, a plus 8d. A value minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into d value 5. So minus 35 by 3 plus 40. Take division 1 and cross multiply and simplify. Finally you will get, if you simplify, 85 by 3 you will get. 85 by 3 is the 9th term. Simplify, since you know how to do the cross multiplication. So after simplifying, get it. Let's move to the next option. So here we have option number 6. A value, d value is given and Sn is given, but we don't know how many terms. Sn only given. We have to find out n and an, nth term. Okay, so let's apply formula. We know Sn equal to formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is given 90. You can take here 90 equal to n, we don't know. 2a value 2 plus n minus 1 into d value 8. Take this division opposite, it comes to multiplication. So n into 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, 90 into 2. Okay, now n into 2 2s are 4. Just multiply 8 this inside. Okay, then you will get 8n minus 8 equal to 90 into 2. Subtract this 2. So n into 8n minus 4 equal to 90 into 2. Multiply this n inside, then you will get 8n square minus 4n equal to 90 into 2. Okay, let's take here 4 common outside. If you take 4 common outside, 4 2n square minus n equal to 90 into 2. Now take this opposite, then you will get 90 into 2 by 4. 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 245 times. So 2n square minus n equal to 45. Take this opposite, then 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. So you got now one quadratic equation. Since you know how to find out the roots for the quadratic equation, instead of x we have here n, that's all. Okay, so let's apply splitting the middle term or quadratic formula to find out the roots. Okay, so let's find out. So if you are using splitting the middle term, just multiply this. 2 into 45, you'll get 90, and coefficient of n value here minus 1. 10 nines are, so put minus here so that you will get 10 nines are 90, minus 10 plus 9 you will get minus 1. Okay, so let's split this minus 1 into like this, 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equal to 0. This splitting the middle term we learn in the quadratic equation chapter. If any doubt, please go through that chapter. So let's take here 2n common outside, n minus 5, and here you can take 9 common outside, then n minus 5, because 9 5 times only 45. Okay, just multiply 9 into n, 9 and 9 5 is 45, correct only. Now you take n minus 5 common outside, then remaining you have 2n plus 9. So apply each factor equal to 0, and 2n plus 9 equal to 0. So n equal to 5, here 2n equal to minus 9, n equal to minus 9 by 2. So n number of terms cannot be negative, so rejected, because n means positive integer, natural number only should come. Here we are getting negative numbers, so that only we are rejecting. So n is equal to 5. This is the correct answer. So n we found. Now we have to find out an. To find out an, use nth term formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. A value 2 plus n value 5 minus 1, d value 8. So 2, 5 minus 1, 4 into 8. So 232, and you add, you will get 34 is the an. Hope that you understand. If any doubt, please put it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. We will see in the next video remaining questions. Thank you. If any doubt, please you can put it in the comment section.